What's going on, guys? Merry Christmas. Before we start, little Christmas gift to myself. I'm gonna start off with one pack of Surging, one pack of Silver Tempest, and then we have a Charizard Paldean Fates Tin. Been holding on to this for a minute, contemplating on keeping it sealed or ripping it. And as you can tell, I have decided to rip it. I am hoping to at least get the Gardevoir or another Charizard. I'm not even holding on to hope that I get the Bubble Mew. But sit back, relax, and thanks again for watching on this beautiful holiday. Let's flip it around and let's get started. Let's get that out of the way. Let's start with some Surging Sparks. I have not made it out to a search for some Pokemon cards since everybody has said that products have been a little bit more available. So I'm just going off what I have put away for a rainy day, and I thought, you know what? It's Christmas. I'm gonna open up some packs. What better day, right? I hope those of you that have kids that enjoy the hobby, I hope you guys were able to get your children some packs. I hope they enjoyed opening and ripping some packs. I had such a hard time with that. Zubat. It's a big change to go from
Woohoo!
shoot,
Yay!
Scarlet and Violet to a Sword and Shield. But we have a Jinx, our first hit. Okay. Such a pretty card. I like that. I'll take a hit. Keldeo. V-Guard. V-Guard. Oh, Hypno. Yeah, I hope you guys have had better luck in stores than I have. I'll glance in the card aisle whenever I go get something from like Walmart or something. They have had Magic cards there. The what was it? Spider-Man. They had Spider-Man there, and they also have had some Final Fantasy. So they've had some cards, but it's not been Pokemon cards. So yeah, I haven't picked up any Magic cards. Save the Pikachu's for last. Good old OG. Woo! Woo! There we go. But yeah, I haven't had any luck. I haven't really looked because I don't want to feel disappointed. So I haven't. So hopefully you guys have had the luck. Let me know if you have found anything out and about. Share your pulls if you've ripped them. Just share your good luck, your your wins. I want to know if you've made it this far. Thank you. I cannot get past the 200 mark on the subs. So those of you that watch this far, I do appreciate it. I'm not the most entertaining, I know. I don't. I always pull this card, and it's not the Gardevoir I want. I've graded this card twice now, both with CGC. Had one pristine 10 come back, and then 110. So may try my luck for another pristine. I'd like to have another pristine in that. Throw it on the bay, sell it, or put it on one of my tables when I vend. Gonna try that Charizard again. Had 50-50 luck. Is there gonna be anything? Execute. Lantern. Nothing. Not even a baby shiny. What is this? What is this nonsense? But yeah. It's been kinda chilly here in Ohio. I went a few weeks ago at the end of the first week of deer season, and I was able to bag me a small doe. So I'll post I'll throw a picture up here. Gengar. It was tiny. Taurus. I was talking about the baby shinies. Got a Taurus. I'll go through and see if I need to add Taurus to the binder. But half tempted to start singling out my binders, because I'm not gonna pay for the Gardevoir Mew. I refuse to pay those prices just to finish my set, complete it. So I might just part it out or try to sell the small the set as is. But it'd probably be easier to sell individually. Do we have anything today? And we will have nothing. A Raichu. Not too bad. 2 hits, 5 packs. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Deuces.